minus $3,752. This is my weekly trading result from the last trading week. In this video, I'm going to review all my trades from the last trading week, and end of video, I will show you my trade, what I planned for the coming trading week. So as usual, we start with risk disclaimer. So here you can see my first trading strategy, CFTC trading strategy. I started in the last trading week with an open trade in 5 years T-Nuts. I was 10 contracts long and had open profit. End of the week, as you can see, my portfolio is empty. The weekly result is minus $17,856. Here you can see my first trade in 5 years T-Nuts, weekly chart. I analyze first weekly chart, I analyze CFTC data, trend structure, then I switch to daily chart, and based on technical analysis, I plan my trades. Here you can see I was stopped out with my remaining 10 contracts, so last trading week, and made a profit of $1,406. Overall, I made a loss with this trade because first I lost $9,281. Then I made a partial profit, so $4,687, and then I was stopped out with my remaining position by trailing stop. So next trade, British pound. In British pound, we got a buy signal based on CFTC data in direction of weekly trend. So let's have a look at daily chart. As you can see, we got here a breakout over a resistance level. So, and this breakout failed. So I lost $3,600 because I moved my stop closer to the market. Japanese yen, here I got buy signal based on CFTC data, and on daily chart also I traded breakout, but this breakout failed, and so I got a full loss of 1% of my $1.6 million account, so, and lost with this trade $15,622. So let's have a look at my second trading strategy. I trade 3 trading strategies. The reason is diversification. So, and here you can see my my portfolio I started with in the last trading week. I had 2 open trades in my portfolio. I was 8 contracts long in gold, and I was 14 contracts long in micro Nasdaq. So during the week, both trades were closed, and as you can see, I ended up the week with an empty portfolio. The weekly result is plus $14,104. Here you can see my trade in micro gold. So last week I closed my remaining position and made a profit of $9,904. And here you can see my trade in micro Nasdaq. So here I made $4,200 profit. So also on my small account, I made a small profit with 5 years T-Nuts. This trade was closed and I made a profit of $137. Let's have a look at my third trading strategy, contra-pattern trading strategy. And if you remember, I was stopped out by British pound and Japanese yen because the breakout failed. And this strategy start to work when a breakout failed, as you can see here. So this is British pound daily chart, and as you can see, we got here a breakout over the resistance level, and this breakout failed. And in this case, I used the contra-pattern trading strategy to profit from failed breakout. And so here I made a profit of $4,912. I risked just 0.3% of my trading account. And also the failed breakout, I trade by Japanese yen. By Japanese yen, I was stopped out with my CFTC trading strategy, but after this breakout failed, so I used a contra-pattern strategy to trade this market in other direction. And as you can see, the trade is still open, so I'm waiting for my price target. If I sum all this result of all 3 strategies, I'm in profit last trading week. So you can see that diversification is very important in trading. So you can do it based on markets if you diversify by markets or by strategies like I do. So, and as you can see, so the CFTC trading strategy failed, but the contra pattern strategy made profit, and overall I have a profitable trading week. But so here in my overall statistic, I just show the trading results of my CFTC and CFTC trading strategy, and if I sum the result of my first two strategies, so I have minus week of $3,752. So that's it for today. As promised, I will show you a trade what I planned for the common trading week in corn market. So we see here the weekly chart, we see strong support, and we see also the market pulled back from support, and we have uptrend on daily chart. As you can see here, also the seasonal trend is in our favor. So here on daily chart, as you can see, we've got a trend change. So, and my plan is, if the trade will be continued, so I wanna be in the market with my long trade. Therefore, so I plan my trade by 433, so by blue price 0.4, and by red price is my stop loss, and by green price is my take profit. This is my trade for the common trading week. That's it for today. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you all the best on the market. See you, your Max Schultz.